So, you've installed a heater into your pool because you want to relax and not shock yourself awake in an ice bath. There are certain aspects on the naked pool system you will need to keep in mind when you do so. With the new addition of the heater in your pool system, it means the naked system will need to be adjusted to accommodate the now constant warmer water and the additional use that comes with it. On your control unit, simply press the clock timer button and switch to a single cycle timer. We recommend combining the times of both timer 1 and timer 2 as a starting point, and depending on how warm you keep the water and the amount of usage, the run times may need to be extended. We change to a single cycle timer so that oxidisation is happening for longer, since timer 2 is only used for circulation. Extra oxidisation is critical when water is kept warm and pool use increases. You can find more information on dual cycle timer and single cycle timer by referring to our pool settings, clocks and timers video or referring to our user guide. If you're wondering when to switch the timer back to dual cycle timer, it may not be necessary if you and your family will be using the pool all year round. You may switch it back to dual cycle timer if you are not going to use the pool much during winter or will be using a pool blanket. With your pool blanket, be sure to take the blanket off at least twice a week. It is important to allow your heated pool to breathe to ensure that chlorine levels do not increase. More information on this topic can be found on the Naked Pools app or refer to our Indoor Pools and Blankets video. Heat is one of the causes of white flakes or calcium buildup, so be sure to monitor the pool's water chemistry in heated pools. With the increased usage of a now warmer pool, more oxidisation is needed to maintain sanitisation and keeping it algae-free compared to non-heated pools. By measuring and adjusting pH and total alkalinity, calcium hardness and mineral levels, you can keep calcium scaling at bay. Remember, pH is king with any swimming pool. Any more questions? Check out our resources on the Naked Pool app or give our team a call. Otherwise, enjoy your crystal clear freshwater pool.